Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can reset your car idle. This car has a like idle problem. It was going so high and low, high and low. Uh, this is the Toyota Camry. Let's reset the idle. Well, it's what you're gonna do. This car is already a warm up. You have to warm up your car, and after that, what are you gonna do? Let me take it out, and put it the key ignition, and turn it right there. Don't start it. You have to do two times. One and two. Leave it right there, and then you will start the car and push the brake, and push the brake and start it. And after that, of course, pull your handbrake, pull up, then bring the to driver. Bring the driver and leave it like this, like 3 minutes. Let's say now its time is 2:43. 3 minutes of 2:46, 3 or 4 minutes, but you have to make sure that all the other items is air conditioning and other things. Oh, this is the light also. I have to take it out, and it shouldn't work anything, only the car should start, and nothing else. No radio, no air conditioning, no any other things. Everything it should be off. And let it work 3-4 minutes, and this way you will reset your car idle, and you will be happy. And hopefully this is gonna be helpful to you. And I had so much problems with this idle, and I find out that it's helpful, and this is I hope it's gonna helpful to you guys too. All right, then that's what time is it now? We started. 2 more minutes, and then we're done. And as you see there on the idle, it's like right there. Idle is right there. It's good. It should be there. And it's wonderful.